If you look at the continuum of jobs to be done by a customer, all the way from planning phase to measuring, usually anything, whether it's condition monitoring or voltage measurement, there is measurement involved. Then you're trying to store that data. Then we have to analyze the data and you have to collaborate. In the continuum of activities, there is some great work that eMaint team is doing where we are leaving these sensors on the machines, continuously monitoring it, looking at the data. So they touch in a beautiful way every aspect of this. There is so much opportunity for the regular Fluke products also to go through a similar model where we can figure out a way that is continually monitoring to give customers a predictive style of maintaining things instead of going to measure it when it is broken. I think connected reliability as a paradigm is super important. The ability to not only do continuous monitoring, but also use tools like eMaint, which is the infrastructure that helps us to put together workflows in a standardized manner, and then work through to make sure these connected reliability tools are giving us data to create meaningful insights. So there is a great opportunity for us to bring the entire story of Fluke products together in this paradigm.